how you can send an email using AOL Mail. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let us begin now. First things first, make sure that you've installed AOL app and logged into it. Now, after you've done that, what you'll have to do is just go to your inbox section. Now, after you're on your inbox section, you will see the pen-like option that's on the top right, and it's right beside the search bar. Tap on it, and you'll be able to just write your mail. Now, here you'll need to write the address that you want to send your email to. Now, I'll just do that right here. And after doing that, just write in the subject. Let's just say it's a greetings. And after doing that, you will have to add main content right here. So just write it in. I'll just write, hi, how are you? And after doing that, all you have to do is just tap on send, that is on the top right. Now you can tap on this 3 dots right there, and you can schedule the email for a later date or time, and you can even save it on draft. So yeah, after doing that, tap on send, and that is basically it. That is how you send an email using AOL Mail. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.